I'm sure a lot of you out there have had the Airbnb dream, and I know I have. It's where you buy an investment property, make some dazzling updates to it, and then have it as a vacation paradise to pay for your mortgage, earn you income, and use as a vacation spot for yourself when you want to. So the house I'm going to show you today is not up for sale. I helped the owners buy it a few months ago, but it is brand new to Airbnb, and you are going to be amazed at some of the things that they've done to it. So I'm going to show you around the house, and I am going to explain a few things about what makes a great Airbnb property as we go. I'm Chris Anderson at 12 Rivers Realty. I have helped a dozen or more people buy Airbnb short-term rental properties in Austin, San Antonio, and other places in between in the last few years. So I can give you a lot of practical advice on how to successfully do it yourself. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video for more of this type of content. Make sure you look at the link to book this property in the description, and let's take a look at the house. So this, in my opinion, is the real coup de grace. This backyard is an absolute dream. Imagine having your bachelorette party or your family reunion or other large gathering in a place like this. The pool's incredible. It's got a hot tub. There is a pickleball court and basketball court. It's got these cool hanging wicker chairs. There's a whole fire pit area. There's a dining table that seats 22 people, and there is plenty of other room to do anything you want back here. It's also got an awesome outdoor kitchen, big TV, refrigerator, everything we could want. And this stuff looks incredible on your Airbnb listing photos, which is another thing that helps get it booked in the top tier of performing properties, in which makes you the most money. Another thing that a lot of top performing Airbnbs have are bedrooms that have personality. So as we look through this house, you'll see that this has 6 true bedrooms and a 7th, which is a media room that can be used as a bedroom, that are all decorated in unique ways that are eye-grabbing when you stay there, but also eye-grabbing in photos, which makes them book at the top 10% of Airbnb's rankings. Here's one feature that shows how well thought out this house is. I'm in the get ready room, which is obviously geared toward bachelorette parties, but this is actually used to be a closet, but this space is now put to better use as a cool space to get ready to go out at night, and one of those things that helps differentiate your property online when large groups are deciding where to book. When you're designing an Airbnb to maximize income, it needs to be able to cater to large groups traveling together for bachelorette parties, family reunions, or other kind of vacations. So you have to have great gathering spaces. This house has excellent gathering spaces where the dining room, the outdoor dining room, TV lounges, and everything else are set up for large groups of 12, 16, or more people. So one thing all the highest performing Airbnbs have is a lot of fun stuff to do. Well, this house is no exception. So I am in the pool, arcade, and golf simulator room. As you can see, it has a golf simulator, which also doubles as a huge movie screen. It is a gathering room. It's got a pool table, and it's even got golden tea and another movie screen. And it also has a foosball and arcade room on the other side of the house too. Another really well done feature of this house is this upstairs movie hangout media room, which has its own bar and an adjoining bathroom. And this is the room that's the flex room that can double as a bedroom to accommodate even more guests when you have large parties. Still can't get over what an incredible job my clients have done decorating this house, optimizing it to be the best possible investment, and setting it up to be a great performing Airbnb. If you want to book this house to be your next vacation, the link is in the description below. If you want to learn how to get into the Airbnb game yourself, contact me. My phone and email are in the description, or message me directly. And I have lots of great advice for you about picking the right property and can connect you with the design team that made all this happen. I'm Chris Anderson at 12 Rivers Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.